welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscription button, followed by the notification bell, so that way you can be in tune and up to date when I post new videos weekly. So in this video, I am talking to you guys about something that is absolutely so exciting for me, and it is my first press box. And not only is it my first press box, it's my first press PR box by a black-owned brand. So like, I'm ecstatic to say the least. So in this video, I am bringing you this press box that I got from Mented Cosmetics, and it is actually a secret reveal that I'm not allowed to reveal to you guys until after March 15th. So by the time I upload this video, we already had gone to they already had released this on the internet, and then they'll have their release party the night of the 15th, and maybe I can put a clip in from that event, maybe at the end of this video. We'll see. But yes, so the secret is, as you can read from the title, it's Introducing Skin by Mented. So what does that mean? Dun, da, da, da. Foundations. So just to give you guys a little bit of background on their foundations, to give you the top part, we have here 16 shades that are ranging from fair to deep, and there's about 7 deep shades in this foundation, and it is said to be a light to buildable foundation. They sent me L20, which is a light with cool undertones, light L30, which is light with neutral undertones, and then they sent me T20, which was tan with cool undertones, and it is vegan, hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, and cruelty free. And they gave me 3 shades, so in the video you'll see how I use these 3 shades. So if you're interested to see what I think about this PR box and the new Mented foundation, just keep on watching. So let's just get into the foundation so we can pick which shade would better match. So I'm going to swatch it on my hand first, and this is, so L20 is a tan with cool undertones. L20. Oh, and for the packaging, let me just show you that really quickly. It's like a nice little sleek bottle that says Mented. Then there's an M for Mented at the top, and then you have your shade and other important things like this lasts 18 months. And it says Skin by Mented Foundation, Mented Cosmetics Inc., New York, made in the US of A. Then I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to blend her in. Let's see how she looks. It's hard to tell. This is a nice shade, and the formula is really, really nice as well. So this is foundation side, L20, no foundation. It's a pretty good match. Now I'm gonna go in with L30. Again, put that on the back of my hand. The difference between these two, I would say this one's got like a more of a yellow going on here. So that's L30. And again, taking this brush. I definitely think that this one is the one for me, but we have one more. So we shall see. This foundation just glides on so effortlessly. So here is L30, no foundation. And again, the difference between the two, we have L30, and this is T30, liar, T20. Now this is definitely a summer shade. Let me actually put that on my hand so you guys can see the difference we got going on here. So we have T20, L30, L20. It's hard because I feel like on here I like the L20 the best, but then when I blend it in, I feel like the L30 looks best. So this one is just gonna leave me really orange. As you can see, it's like a white orange cast. So this is definitely gonna be used as a summer shade. It's hard to tell. I feel like maybe I should go in with this as a foundation and this as a highlight for now. L20, which is the first shade that I was like skeptical about, but you know what? We're just gonna do it. And that is what is going to be done. But yeah, put a little extra there. My skin is like really not happy with me these days. Wow, this foundation is like butter. Yeah, my skin has been bugging. I don't know why it's been doing this, because I never have like, I get like breakouts here and there, but like the way in which my skin has just been acting up. This foundation is like it will move. It is moving. This brush is perfectly designed for it. They go together very nicely. I don't think that if you have dry skin, you'll have a problem with this foundation. So I'm gonna go back in with a second layer. It says it's buildable, so I want to see if this is true. Okay, so that is 2 layers. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. Oh, I'm gonna use the L30 as a concealer. Let's see if these bad girls play good together. I kind of want to use my beauty blender for this, which could change the trajectory of this one completely and entirely. Blender did a nice job of blending that in. So now I'm gonna go back in with my, this is my ColourPop, and yeah. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna do that. Around my mouth, and we're gonna do bum 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 bum. So just a little like, I did something like really fun last week, and I got to speak at Hofstra University, which was like an honor in itself. This is the face. So now I'm going to go in with Fenty powder, then going in, as we know and we love, Sashka Buttercup. And then going in, doing that, and doing it, and doing it, and doing it, wow. So yeah, I spoke at that conference. Just to get back to that, powder all over the place. And it was so like, first of all, the emotions that were going through my mind in the moment of doing it, it was just so surreal. Like, I did what the textbook perfect way of doing things, and you know, you just gotta figure it out on your own. And still, I have my own business. I do YouTube, and those are the things that like really fuel me, and that's why I go to work every day, because I know if I continue to do what I'm doing, I'm going to be able to get to the point where I don't have to go clock in for somebody, because that's not the goal, and that's not the plan that God has for Chylissa Chante. Okay, but that was just like a really moving thing to be able to be a part of, to inspire young girls to do more, to want more in this lifetime. I'm gonna go in now with my Kat Von D and just go deeper in that contour. So yeah, just to inspire young people to do more was really nice. This is what we're looking like. I'm gonna go in with my Juice Beauty. Okay, so this is what I'm working with so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, finish up my face, and then come back to you guys. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look that I was able to come up with. Something really simple, something cute. The foundation ended up being really great. And in the beginning I felt like it was really oily, but once I set it and everything, it worked out really well for me. And that shade, I still think I could have probably went in with the T30, I mean the L30, and that would have been a little bit of a better shade match. But even still, I don't feel like I'm looking like ashy or anything. I think in the mirror I feel like I look really nice, and it is a nice shade match. I think just the T30 would have been a little bit better. So here you guys have it, Mented's new collection of foundation, 16 shades, and a wide range of shades that can work for different tones, a lot of deep shades. So if you're in that darker range, you could definitely check this out. And the color that I have on my lips now is the Mented Dark Night. So this is a really, really pretty brown shade. It was actually the first shade that I pulled out, and I was like, oh yeah. She ready. I was really happy about that. And then I also have 5 other shades that if you guys are interested, I can definitely do a swatch video of these next 5 shades. The foundation ended up being bomb.com. I recommend that you go check it out and order it. This is a great brand. They're cruelty-free, vegan, cruelty-free, and they offer a lot. It's really, really meant to be, and from my understanding of it, it's really meant for women of color, and giving you the new nudes, the real true nudes, real natural nudes colors. And especially with their lipsticks, like the products are really supposed to speak to us, unlike other brands where it's not really catered to us. So I think that this is really great, and I hope that you get a chance to go check this out, try it for yourself, and see what's up. So congratulations to Mented and all their success, and how amazing, the amazing things that they're doing, the fact that they come out with foundation, the fact that they even gave me my very own PR package. For the first time ever I've gotten a PR package. I really appreciate it. And this video, like, I don't get any monetary value of just telling you guys to go try this out. It's just something that I think that you might want to check out. I recommend it, and you can look this good too. So if you guys really like this video, you know the drill. Give it a thumbs up, comment below, and be sure to be subscribed. Hit the bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Sunrise, right atop my cranium. Stress weight the body like uranium. What's the verbatim? Everyday like deja vu. Only fear is I start to get comfortable. Not wanna be typical. Climb my way to the pinnacle while I'm alive in my physical, yo. And money soon be the